I know. We have been trying. The connection from Australia is. We'll be back on very soon, but I want to find out if you can hear me. If you can hear me, just say yes. Very soon.
Now, this time, do you have your earpiece in so you can hear the speaker? You can hear what's going on?
What do you mean?
No.
I know we're live. We're trying. We're trying to see what's going on with the connection from Australia. So excuse yourself if you can hear us. Just let us know that you can hear us. Sooner or later, we're gonna have the beautiful Mele Muala with us. Let me see. Let us.
As you can see it, because they're fine. So what you might